Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add invisible filter on Snapchat. So first of all, we need to update our Snapchat application. To do that, go to your Play Store and search here Snapchat. If you see any update available here, then you will need to download the update, and after updating your Snapchat, open your Snapchat app. And now we need to add the filter. So tap on this search icon and search here invisible, and from this list you have to select the filter which comes from Snapchat. So tap on the filter and now you can use the filter easily. That's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.